In this tutorial or in this video, we are going to learn our first program, or what we call Python Hello World. Python Hello World. Remember, we are still at PalmOps Foundation, Elite Schools, and we are making computing easy, and we are in Python programming. And in this tutorial or in this video, we are to learn about Python Hello World. This is my name, Aiba Martin. This is my number. At the same time, this is my email address. So let us continue and see the Python Hello World. So to start with, Python programming, the very basic program is to print hello world. You can use the print function. This print function below is an example of a Python code print hello world. So as how you see it here, Python code print hello world as how you're seeing it. So this is what we input into our text editor. Then from the text editor, it is compiled through a compiler to get an output called the hello world. So this is it here. So how do we do it? Just let me show you some small thingy here. So if I come, I will be using a text editor, that is Visual Studio Code. Remember, in PHP, in HTML there, CSS, we have been using Notepad, but in this case, let us upgrade and go to Visual Studio Code. So on Visual Studio Code, I will come here on Start. I click Start. Then I type here Visual Studio Code. Then I press Enter. I press Enter for my Visual Studio Code to start. So let me just wait for it to start. It's coming. It's here now. It's loading. Visual Studio Code. So let it load. So this is the interface of a Visual Studio Code. So let me open up a new file. I'll open up a new file, and this file I'm going to save it as Python class dot Python files. We save them with a file extension that is .py, Python class, then .py. So I opened that file. Then where am I creating it, or where am I saving it? On a desktop. We save it on a desktop. Then I said Python class .py. So then I say create file. So after doing that, I will have my Python class.py file created for me as how you are seeing it here. I think you are seeing it here now. It is saved on desktop, and being saved on desktop, it is saved as Python class.py. So this is the area where we are going to be writing our code. So we are saying that right here, the code called print, we are saying that Python code to print hello world. So if I just copy this and just copy it, and I bring it here in order to save time, just I bring it here like this. Then inside this one, I just paste my code, my copied code. So it is commented here. So I can just come here and I put this one on a new line. Then I remove this comment. So after removing this comment, just remove this comment. Then I press this one also, enter. Then this one should come back here. So I'm saying that this is my command to print hello world. So if I press Ctrl S to save, or I just click file, then save, just click on that to save. So we are saying that Python class.py, and in this we are having this print function. It is to print this command, this word we have typed here, this text which is enclosed in the word, in the quotations. So if after doing this, how do we run this file? You just come here into your code, you right click and choose run Python file in terminal here, in terminal like this. Then you say run Python file in terminal. So after clicking there, your terminal or your link to the terminal will be brought here. So I think you can see the address. So this is the address, or what you are seeing here is what we call the address. And now our word hello world is printed out here. So that is how we print our hello world using our text editor, that is Visual Studio Code. But now let's say that we want to run it using a CMD, or what we call a command prompt. How do we do it? So remember, our file is saved as Python class.py, and this file is saved on desktop. So we want to try out a CMD. So again, we click on start and type CMD. So after typing there CMD, you go to your desktop. This is it. Then from desktop, you say Python. So Python, then Python, this is you are saying Python, which is already installed onto your computer. Then get this Python, run this file Python, then run the file which is saved as Python dot is saved here, as how you're seeing it saved here. So it is python then class.py. So you press enter. So after pressing enter, I think you can see it here now. It has been also compiled. Now we have it here. It has been processing, has finished, and now it is here. Hello world, meaning that we have written our first Python file, that is hello world. So that is it. So we can continue. Let us continue. So let us continue. So carriers with Python. So if you know Python nicely, what are some of the carriers, or where does Python move to? So we are saying that if you know Python nicely, then you have a great career ahead. Here are just a few of the career options where Python is a key skill. Number one, we have game developer, meaning that if you can do games, then if you can become a good developer in games, then there is a good career in that. Web development, that is web designer, Python developer, full stack developer, machine learning engineer, data scientists, data analyst, data engineer, DevOps, that is DevOps engineer, and others. So let us continue. So we also have software engineering and many other roles. So let us see characteristics of Python. So we are saying that following are important characteristics of Python. So characteristics of Python. Number one, we are saying that it supports functional and structured programming methods as well as OOP. OOP is object-oriented programming. So number two, we are saying that it can be used as a scripting language or can be compiled for building large applications. So number three, it provides high-level dynamic data types and supports dynamic type checking. Then number five, we are saying that it supports automatic garbage collection. Then it can be easily integrated with C, then C++, COM, then ActiveX, Cobra, then and Java. So that is characteristics of Python. So how do you easily understand, or what are the features that you can easily use to understand that this is a Python command? So the way how we have brought it, so you can use these characteristics to also integrate it with other languages all at the same time, and at the same time use it to do your programming jobs or your programming activities. So let us continue. We have applications of Python. So Python is a general purpose programming language known for its readability. Python is a general purpose programming language known for its readability. It is widely applied in various fields. That is number one, in data science. So what does it do in data science? We say Python libraries like NumPy. We have NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib are used for data analysis and visualization. Then we have another one, which we are saying that Python frameworks like Django and Pyramid, that is Pyramid, make the development and deployment of web applications easy. So Python frameworks. Then we are saying that this programming language also extends its applications to computer vision and image processing. So let's continue. It is also favored in many tasks, like automation, job scheduling, graphical user interface development, that is GUI, etc. So these are some of the applications of Python. My friend, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Continue to like, continue to share. I'm still your friend. I have Martin.